This is how to transfer a TFSA from EQ Bank to Wealthsimple. Once you guys open up Wealthsimple, on the bottom bar, select the icon with the arrows pointing in opposite directions. Then once you're here, I want you to scroll down to Accounts and then press Transfer Account to Wealthsimple. Then press Get Started. Once you're here, I don't think it appears under most popular, so you're going to have to go ahead to where it says search for your institution and then start typing in EQ Bank and then select it. Once you're here, you can choose to sign in to EQ Bank for a faster experience through the app, or you can go to the bottom and enter the information manually. It does not matter what you do, but for this demonstration, I will use the latter of entering the information manually. Once you're on this page, make sure that the TFSA is selected and then press Next. And then just go ahead and add your EQ Bank account details and then follow the steps that come after that in regards to the transfer process. So that is how to transfer a TFSA from EQ Bank to Wealthsimple. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.